Using Zapier with Notion allows you to automate tasks and integrate data between Notion and other apps seamlessly. Here's how to set it up effectively. Create a Zap. Log into Zapier and click on Make a Zap to start creating a new automation. Choose Notion as the trigger app. Select Notion from the list of available apps as your trigger app. You will need to connect your Notion account to Zapier and grant necessary permissions. Set up trigger events. Choose a trigger event such as a new entry in a Notion database, a new page created, or a specific action within Notion. Zapier will monitor these events to initiate your automation. Connect Action app. Select the app where you want to send data from Notion or trigger actions based on Notion activities. This could be your CRM, task management tool, Google Sheets, or any other supported app. Map data fields. Map the data fields from Notion to corresponding fields in your chosen action app. Ensure data is correctly mapped for seamless integration. Set up actions. Define what actions should be performed in the action app based on the trigger event from Notion. This could include creating new records, updating existing data, or triggering notifications. Test and activate your Zap. Test your Zap to ensure it works correctly. Once satisfied, activate your Zap to start automating tasks based on activities from your Notion workspace.